Looks like nice air quality today. Shows you what's possible, but at what expense. Look at all of the pollution that they're blocking off the coasts, and you gotta wonder how much electromagnetic radio wave energy is going into this, keeping the pollution over the oceans at bay. Another thing of note is this, again, area in New Mexico. Look at that. Look at that. You want to tell me that that's natural? And it looks like they're perfecting some kind of evil apparatus and practice down there. 197. God help anybody trying to breathe in that vicinity. LA is in the 100 range in places. Otherwise, the rest of the country is looking pretty nice. So let's get out there. Have a good day.